Right then guys, here's my little cheapy Vauxhall Corsa. It needs the tyres pumping up. Look at the front of that. That's pretty bad. RC. I think I've actually got my tyre pump on there, which is always handy. This is going to be my first of the trading up series. I think it owes me just under £500 including fees, which is always good. So yeah, let's get in it and see what we think. Let's open up the door. And there we go, central lock and works. Oh no, the other way around. Let's have a level 2 condition like. All good, does this work? No, doesn't work, probably doesn't work the other side either, but there we go. It is what it is. I'll try and fix it myself. Right, I will check the oil levels and stuff before I start it up and see if it drives. So guess who's just broken down? Car's overheated. Getting recovery now. Luckily I've got recovery. I was on my way to Measham to go pick up a car. M42 junction there, 11 minutes away. Got the other half and the dog with me as well. So yeah, I mean, it's just a shame. I think, you know, I put probably 500ml worth of water in the coolant tank. That should have got me there really, but so I'm guessing there's some sort of issue with the cooling system. I'm literally just outside some place called Kinsall Green Cars. Been here about 20 minutes or so. So yeah, waiting for recovery. I think that's the end of the, literally I was going to do a trading up series. For I buy a cheapie, owes me 500 quid. If I can, you know, get 700-800 quid for it, then I can build on that. But no, obviously nothing goes to plan most of the time. Fair, I've been riding my luck as well. I've had pretty decent luck with BCA recently, so I'm hoping this isn't the start of the run of bad luck, but we'll see. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated and see you shortly. I mean, I was actually on my way to Measham, like I said, to go pick up another car, but that's not happening now. So yeah, I will see you guys and give you guys an update in a bit. Once I got the Corsa home, it stood on my driveway for a short while. I had it looked at by a local mechanic and they confirmed it was the head gasket and water pump. So I decided just to chuck it on eBay so it could be someone else's problem. I'd much rather do that than scrap it, because someone potentially can still save the car, especially if they're a mechanic. And yeah, it went for auction and it sold for £240. So I was all in with fees, train ticket, fuel and parking I had to pay when I broke down. All in for £566. I sold it for £240, so I made a loss of £326, which, as I said earlier, is a cheap car. I'm not too fussed about the loss in the end. I think it's one of them, you win some, you lose some, and yeah, so it can be someone else's issue. So that's it for this one. Hopefully the next video will be more of a positive note, but it just goes to show there are ups and downs in this game, and I'd much rather show you the downs as well as the ups, just in case you take kind of reference from these videos and think it's all kind of roses, when actually it's not. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next one.